Well, as you can see, or I hope you can see, there's a bunch of that old mold or moss or what they call it that develops on the north side of the houses. Has got this vinyl stuff on it. Maybe on other houses too, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I got a lot of junk out here. That frame looking thing, wherever it's at. Let me get my finger squared away here. That is about a walnut thing I got to use to clean walnuts on. And that's the wife's flower thing there, that red tub. And that black thing is my turtle rinsing barrel. I lost my blue. I guess the wind blew it off down the neighbors and they used it. And I don't want to go down asking for it. But this is a black one. I use that whenever I catch a turtle. I put them in about 2 weeks or something like that so that we can kind of freshen them up a little bit. So anyway, we'll get back later on. We get that power washer set up, and I'm going to try the old bleach and water theory. I never tried it through the pressure washer. I put it on with a bug sprayer before, and it worked great. I'm going to try it this other way because we got that little siphon hose now. So we'll get back later on this. Well, I never did try to use the pressure washer for cleaning that stuff off. I did use the bug sprayer like I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to try this. I don't even know for sure what the mixture ought to be, but wife saved that water for whatever reason. Like we ain't got any. Okay, that's about, it's roughly half there. Then we'll get, if this don't work, we'll add more. Put a little bleach in here. Yeah, come on, get in there. There you go. That might seem a little strong, but if it bleaches out the side anyway, that really ain't no big deal back here on the back side here, I guess. Come on, get on there, you. There's that. Yeah. Okie dokie. Now I'll put this in kind of, I'm going to shake it a little bit. That'll be good enough for that. Then I got bought this gadget, you know, that you hook on your pump and then down in that stuff. I ain't used this since they put that pressure washer together, which has been a little while back. And I got to buy some of these things up at Lowe's, but gee whiz, they was high. I don't need all of them. I already had 2, but they come in a pack of 4 of various different sizes. So they were, it was under $10, I think. And so I thought, well, we just get down and have some extra. I need to find some kind of container to put on the side of my washer, so I've got all of them. Now this one here is the one I think we're supposed to use for where's the thing? So you got that big old hole in there. You know, you don't want to see plumb through it. It'll get it just right. That gun, this camera's backwards the way it's supposed to be. Anyway, that's the big one. That's what we're going to use to hook up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and hook this stuff up. We'll see how she works. And I got the siphon hose hooked up on there and water hose, and I bled out the hose up there. You ain't really supposed to run one of them if it's got air in the lines, because obviously the pump's supposed to run wet, not dry. So here in a little bit we're going to see what we can do up there on that old house there. job. I'm going to leave that set over on the other side there a little while, then get too big a rush. And when I run over it again, it's bringing her back pretty good. I'm just running too much. I was running too much water in the first place. All right. Well, I guess I got in too big a hurry a while ago, and I didn't let that bleach set turn do its job, because now I got that pretty much cleaned off over there too. I came back and gave it a few more shots, and I found out you got to use that open nozzle, black one in this case, or it won't suck anything out of that bottle over there. So I was trying to use that part of the time with a fan nozzle, and that didn't work. Anyway, it's looking a lot better than it did, and you don't have to do no scrubbing this way. So, and that little light spot right there is a reflection off of I don't know what, off my flag or my triangle back on the back of the golf cart. All right, there again. Well, thanks for watching, subscribing, thumbs upping, and commenting especially. All right, that's it for now.